This mushroom is called hen of the woods, scientifically known as Grifola frondosa. It is a highly sought-after edible mushroom. It features a distinct cluster of overlapping fan-shaped caps that resemble the feathers of a hen. Indoor cultivation provides an ideal environment for growing hen of the woods mushrooms. The controlled conditions ensure consistent temperature, humidity, and lighting, allowing for optimal growth and development. Hen of the woods mushrooms have a rich, earthy flavor and a tender texture. They are a popular ingredient in various culinary preparations, including stir-fries, soups, and pasta dishes. Wild hen of the woods is not always easy or available to find, but by cultivating them indoor, we're able to have them year-round. The controlled environment provides a consistent supply and allows for exploration of this remarkable culinary ingredient. Hen of the woods mushrooms have a preference for hardwood substrates. Common choices include oak sawdust, hardwood chips, or a mix of these materials. I used hardwood oak pellets and wheat bran. The cultivation process begins by preparing a sterile environment to prevent contamination. When the spawn is created to grow these mushrooms, it is done so inside of a still air box or in front of a laminar flow hood. And by using a pressure cooker to sterilize our grain and substrate, we ensure that our nutritious ingredients are free from competing organisms. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, why do we need a sterile environment when cultivating mushrooms indoor, when in nature the mushrooms are growing even with all the other organisms? The natural environment is a complex ecosystem with a multitude of interactions among organisms. Wild mushrooms have evolved in response to the specific dynamics of their natural habitats, which include interactions with other fungi, bacteria, plants, and animals. While wild mushrooms face competition in their natural habitat, their ability to adapt and exploit ecological niches, coupled with their robust life cycle and various mechanisms of defense and symbiosis, enables them to successfully fruit and disperse their spores. Replicating this intricate web of relationships in a sterile cultivation setting is challenging. These considerations prioritize consistent production and uniformity, which may differ from the varied and diverse nature of wild mushrooms. Check the comment section below for a link to the full cultivation tutorial of hen of the woods mushrooms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.